Fine. Now see, this is the problem number 12. Let us solve this one. The HCF of two numbers is 15. What they have given? The HCF of two numbers is 15, right? And the LCM of those two numbers is 1520. If one number they have given, one number is equal to 380, we are supposed to find the value of other number. So the let other number be y. This is what we need to find out. We know the formula, that is LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers, right? That is first number into second number. What they have given? LCM they have given. LCM is equal to 1520. HCF they have given 15 is equal to 1. First number they have given, that is 380 into what is the second number that we are supposed to find, right? That's what y is equal to the second number 1520 into 38, that divided by 15, that divided by 380. Now simplify it, this and this will be cancelled. We are going to get 152 into 15, that divided by 38. Let us work with the divide with the 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are. Now this I will cancel. 2 sevens are correct. 2 sevens are 14. 2 six are. This will become 76 into 15, that divided by 19. Let us directly divide 76 by 19. 19 ones are, 19 fours are. Correct. 19 fours are. 15 fours are 60. The second number is 60. Right. This is the answer.